this to me is something that's kind of neat. It's a company called, and let me actually get to the company information here, Near Space Labs.
Hmm.
So right now, if you wanted to, well, first of all, everyone thinks how and it is wonderful we have all these satellite images, but satellites go in a particular orbit.
Hmm.
And to change the orbit of a satellite is exceptionally hard and takes a lot of energy. Ignore science fiction. You cannot just hit a thruster and turn and bank.
Oh,
It
so
doesn't
so
work that way.
no Guardians of the Galaxy rules here, right?
Pretty much,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, that's one of the things you learn is when you learn about orbital mechanics,
Hmm.
that changing an orbit at all is a lot of energy.
Hmm.
So that's why when people say, well, why can't we throw a satellite over it? Satellites go over particular orbits and they really don't like to change them. So then you have drones, which can be very useful. This company's working for like insurance claims after natural disasters. The problem is that drones have to fly back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And this company has basically they're using weather balloons to put up robotic AI powered cameras.
Hmm.
So the idea is, well, right now what they're doing is they're putting it up there, and since it's a balloon, there's no, you don't have an engine that you have to refill every so often or a battery that'll run out. So you can just put the balloon up there, and they said each balloon can do an area a size of around New York City when it's doing its thing. So it's a pretty large area, and they can put up a balloon. Let's say disaster happens, everything they say they need for there go can basically be put down to a suitcase. You can put a balloon up. You can see the damage in the area. Get it sent back to. There we go. Get it sent back to the insurance companies, so people can see what happened there,
Hmm.
and quick make it a lot quicker and easier. And what they're doing now, because they don't have quite enough infrastructure, they're going beforehand and seeing the risks that are involved. So you're taking a picture overhead, you're saying, okay, this house is here, there's a hill behind it here, there's a new clearing here. So there could be a flood issue here, there could be this here, there could be a fire issue here, there could be other things that go along, when they look at the damage in an area. So, and then when after it happens, they can say, okay, here's before and after. So you can say, well, this was damaged before